These are some of the wildest dancehall lyrics ever.
Your pussy coming like Bible. When it open up, me see heaven.
Biblical, love it. Chef kiss. An appreciation of women, I would say.
How did Cartel get away with that one?
Coolie punani, Chinese punani, blacky punani, whitey punani, any punani, adi, same punani. Glimity, boy, it a fit time me. Glimity, boy, it a fit shot me. Glimity, boy, it's a fit take me.
They lose me at the AIDS. Them lose me at the AIDS. But before the AIDS poetic, diversity.
Bear in mind, this song was released during the AIDS epidemic. So he was serious.
Wild. And you know, our grandparents said them never da go on nothing. And look at what was going on.
And this was a hit.
The girl body right at that amaze me. She can't read and write at that amaze me.
Literacy, we love that. I love when they acknowledge the good things about the girl. And not just breasts and body and this, you know, she can read and she can write. Yeah, love that.
Yeah, joker, you know. Alright, guys. Tell me some of the wildest dancehall lyric you guys have ever heard, okay? Comment below. And follow if you enjoy content like this.